So just if you draw a diagram, okay, so this is the mandible and this is mastoid process. When you are seeing the side of the neck from here, so this is the mandible, here it is the mastoid process. Clear? So this triangle, it is the anterior triangle of the neck. Okay, this is submental triangle. We'll see, this is the mandible. Okay, this is the mandible or the base of the mandible, you can see. And here, this is the hyoid bone. Okay, this is the hyoid bone. So, in what view I am this? You just to see, this is the diagram. I am looking above like this. So here it is the base of the mandible, and this is the hyoid bone. So this triangle, what I am seeing, this part of the triangle, that is the submental triangle.